Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this dark shimmer chevron design as part of Water Marble March. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm going to be layering Holo Taco Peely Base with Holo Taco Long-Lasting Base. The colors that we're going to be using today are Orly, Written in the Stars, Serendipity, and Forward Momentum. And for my base color, I'm going to be using liquid vinyl. Once that's applied, I'm going to protect around my nails using liquid latex as well as tape. As usual for a water marble, I'm starting out in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once the bullseye is complete, I'm going to go ahead and drag up to the top and then down to the bottom, and then I'm going to be drawing in some chevrons. For this cup, I'm going to be dipping my thumb and pinky together. So I'm going to figure out what a good angle would be, line them up, and then go ahead and dip. Once I've got the excess polish cleaned from the surface, I'm going to go ahead and pull my nails out, and there's the water marble. I'm going to go ahead and remove the protection, and then I'll be doing the rest of my nails. When the bullseye drifts a little bit off center, I'm just going to work with it by still trying to just split it symmetrically. So I'm going to make the first couple pulls like this at an angle. Once I'm done marbling, I'm going to move on to the cleanup, using a Q-tip for larger areas as well as underneath my nail, and a small brush closer up. Once I'm done with the cleanup, I'm going to finish off with the top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I really like how this turned out. I was a bit nervous when I got a giant smudge after top coat on my left hand, but after a little bit of polish surgery, I'm pretty sure you can't even tell which nail it was on, so I'm pretty pleased with how I repaired that. I do want to give you guys just a little bit of flashlight time so that you can appreciate this shimmer. And if you'd like to see the extended tutorial, that's up over on my VOD channel. That will be linked in the description box as well as up in the corner. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. If you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join this channel as a member for some cool perks like emoji. And I'd love to hear what you guys think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.